In this lecture, we are going to discuss what is trading in a nutshell, and also we are going to discuss the variation that comes in with option buying and option selling. So, what is trading in a nutshell? Trading is nothing but predicting the price. If you predict a price, that the price would go up, and if it really goes up, then you're going to make money. If you predict the price should go down, and if it really goes down, then you're going to make money. But there is a variation that comes with option buying and option selling. Options, trading into options, comes with a lot of cons more than pros. I don't want to discuss these as pros and cons, but I'd like to discuss these as variations in option trading. The first and foremost is direction. You have to get it right. If you predict the price has to go up, you need to be correct with your direction. The price has to go up in order for you to make money. And if you take a put option, which means you're predicting the price to be or to go down, it it has to go down for you to make money. Specifically in option buying, this is the first criteria to make money in option trading. The second criteria is unidirectional movement. Again, this holds true for both option buying and selling, but specifically for option buying. Once you take a trade, the movement of a particular stock or a script or an index has to be unidirectional, which means either the price has to continuously go up or the price has to continuously go down. Then only in options or mainly in option buying, you can make money, because after you take a trade, if for certain amount or period of time, if the price do not moves, then you are going to lose money. This brings us to the most important point or criteria, and that is time. In options trading, time is very important. If you take a trade today, if your direction is correct, even if your direction is correct, and the market do not moves in a unidirectional movement, which means it takes a pause or a U-turn after you take a trade, and then maybe after 2 or 3 days it takes an unidirectional movement, but the time that you have lost, let's say around 2 to 3 sessions that you have lost before taking the unidirectional movement, this is going to cost you, and it is going to take out a good proportion of money from your trading account. That's why direction, unidirectional movement, time, all these three factors has to be with you, or you need to be correct with your direction, you need to be correct with your movement, and you need to be correct with your time. And if you get all these three right, then only you can make good money in trading. But this is not at all possible by using chart patterns, support, resistance, or indicators. And the reason we'll discuss in the upcoming videos or lectures. But for now, if you want to ask yourself a question, that how can I predict a unidirectional movement? Which means whenever you take a trade, ask yourself, how confident are you that that price would move in a direction like this when the price is going up, or the price would move in a direction like this, which is in a trend? Then only you can make good money in option buying. If the price goes up, take a U-turn and again goes up further and again falls into a range, and finally after few sessions, if it goes up in a direction, maybe you would have lost a good amount of money in this particular area and you would have exited out of the trade. before this particular movement, because using indicators, support, resistance, and chart patterns will not give you that the price is going to move in a unidirectional movement. It only tells you or give you a probable answer that you are seeking, and the question is whether the price is going to go up or go down, and it is not going to tell you how it is going to go up or go down, right? So if you have at least a month of experience in trading, you'd have understood what I'm trying to say. We are going to get hold of unidirectional movements, which means we're going to concentrate only on unidirectional movement, which means if you're taking a trade at a price, let's say 200 rupees, and you have made a decision to buy that particular stock, it should reach from point 200 to 300, or from the point 200 till 250, depending on the time frames that you're using, in a unidirectional movement, a fast movement. So we are going to get hold of these kind of movements after the learnings that we're going to learn. Second is a multifold returns. Getting a return of 2%, 3%, 5% each day, this kind of mindset we should get rid of. That also we're going to discuss. But after learning these lectures correctly, if you learn them correctly and apply them correctly, we're going to get multifold returns, 200%, 300%, 500% in option trading, both in option buying and option selling. The third is the high accuracy that we're going to get. At least 90 to 95% of accuracy that we're going to get if we apply the techniques correctly. We're going to get a good accuracy, because in trading, these 3 points are very important, and only these 3 can make you a successful trader, and you can earn a living out of it. Getting hold of unidirectional movements or predicting the unidirectional movements, multifold returns, and higher accuracy. Okay.